Hi, this is Polly Dejintara. Today I am going to represent you Novartis, the second largest pharmaceutical company by global sales. Novartis is a multinational company operating in pharmaceutical company um, and is based in Basel, Switzerland. So the merger of Sandoz and CG in 1996, that's how Novartis is formed. And the pharmaceutical departments in those companies. So in 2003, Sandoz was a brand of generic drugs for Novartis. And in 2000, AstraZeneca and Syngenta partner to produce more agrochemical under Novartis. So Novartis products, reach nearly 800 million people worldwide, and it's still expanding these days. Novartis also currently employs more than 100,000 people all over the world, and the medicine produced by them reach more than 750 million people each year. So they have their five strategy, which is unleash the power of people, embrace operational excellence, deliver transformation innovations, go big on data and digital, as well as build trust with society. Next, we are going to talk about financial analysis. So in 2020, as you can see here, that this is in US dollar. So Novartis is Switzerland's company drug. Sometimes they go by francs, but in this analysis, we're doing it by US dollar. So in 2020, you can see that their net sales is at 48.7 billion versus 47.5 billion from 2009. Net income in 2020 is at 8 billion US dollar versus 7.1 billion in 2009. Free cash flow, however, it's negative 10. I do believe that is because they are buying back a lot of stocks in 2020 due to their phase 3 to 4 study where they will get the approval from European FDA. Company in COVID, as you know, AstraZeneca is one of their vaccines for COVID. Not one of their, it's their COVID vaccine 19. So more than 20 million doses have been used across the UK, but it has been suspended due to serious side effects like bleeding and blood clots. So until European Medicines Agency allowed it again, that's when they will use it. So more than 10 countries in the UK are actually suspend the AstraZeneca, as well as a country like Thailand as well. So they're also focusing on like associates, taking care of the health and safety of their employees, patients, and HCA. Also, societies, like they wanted to make sure that they are supporting the global responsibility, donatings, and research and developments and collaborations. Here is the company analysis. The way they're taking care of their customer and the culture is very inspiring, right? So they try to inspire their employees, and by doing more engagement, rolling out values and behaviors and performance to see, how engagement their employees are, and they go to curious with TED talks, and then to see how their employees are growing and learning, and then they do the unboss, which kind of do the manager effectiveness in the company, and I feel that's related to where I work currently at Osuga or Avenir. We also have almost the same program that we do to to the employees to get more engaged, and then see how effective we are as an employees and manager. Here we have company analysis. So scales, number of projects, they have 116 phase 1 and 2 clinical trials drugs, and then 49 in phase 3 registration. So they are going to get the approval by the NFE. You can see there's more than 65 that's going to get approved. For innovation side, so 20 of them are in advanced platform therapeutics in clinical development, about 90% pipeline potentially first in class or first in indications, and then 80% target areas of high unmet need. So the value, if you can see, Novartis is at number 2, estimated 2026 sales from product launch between 2020 and 2026. So if I have not mentioned it, there are 3 divisions of Novartis, right? Sandoz, innovation medicines, and Alcon. So the innovation medicines here is this segment into like oncology and pharmaceuticals. So Novartis model of operation is an approach that utilizing many subsidiaries across the globe to form an integrated whole.